Mano.
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 Mano po. So, yes,
Mano
mano.
po.
Mano po. Mahal kita. Okay.
Yes.
Ate. Yes.
Salamat. Say salamat.
You can end first. What do people in your country usually do every day that you think is interesting?
Some people we use no one always bring yeah I coffee to the views.
How much is coffee there in your hometown?
It's about $1 in USD.
Here in the Philippines, it's like 50 pesos.
Oh yeah,
50 pesos.
The most unique and interesting thing is how the country come alive in the very early morning. It is much more than just a wild start. It's a huge social event like before 6 and 30 a.m. Street, park and sidewalk are full of people. Like in my place, globalization is very obvious. Like especially the city and technology. Like when there are applications such as YouTube and Spotify, younger generation of the Vietnamese adapt to the dance, adapt to global fashion, music and social change from places like Korea or the West. Yeah. Vietnamese music, so but I will suggest you guys only this one.
What popular app, the most popular app you guys have?
Facebook is very popular in our
Facebook too. Here in the Philippines, we have po and
Yes.
opo, and also would do this gesture
Like
as
this, like this,
as a
like
sign
this.
of respect.
Yes.
Mano.
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 Mano po. So, yes,
Mano
mano. Mano po.
Po.
Yeah.
we very respect the elder, the younger.
As Vietnamese people, I'm deeply proud of two things. First is the amazing resilience and strong spirit of the nation. Throughout history,
Oh,
Vietnam has like a lot of fights against the strongest nation in the world, China, USA, and France.
here in the Philippines, we are colonized by the Spanish for 300 years.
Yes.
300, it's so long.
Play soccer.
Wow, soccer.
When I truly have my free time, I play badminton.
Ah, badminton.
I spent like 3 years in badminton already. I stopped when I was grade 11. Very popular in us is called Tết Nguyên Đán, aka Lunar New Year. At time could would stop working for about a week.
Yes, that's also my favorite.
One of the challenge, in my opinion, one of the biggest challenge in the is the fierce competition for good job, because the country is developing very very quickly and more young people are getting university. There are not enough high-paying jobs for everyone, especially in the big city. This makes the job market very tough.
I think when you're communicating with other people, oh, the extrovert and introvert person,
The
yeah,
introvert one,
yeah.
Can you sing for us?
I will try my best. I will sing a Vietnamese song if that's good with you guys.
Yes, yes.
And
Yes.
Yes.
You're great at singing.
Yes, you're very good.
Thank you for singing for us.
She's dancing.
I already started, so you got to do it too, right?
Ano?
Only me singing is not fair, you know?
Do you want to hear
You gotta sing a song.
Filipino song? Filipino song. Awit, tutulala sa mga akit-akit mo, tinatangi, napapangiti mo ang aking puso. Mahal kita. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your time, Koy.
Thank you. At salamat, say salamat.
You can end you.
Hear it.
Just kidding. No. And, there's a lot, yes. But our voice, awit, tutulala sa mga akit-akit mo, tinatangi, napapangiti mo ang aking puso.